Who are you talking to? Who are you talking to? Say hello. That's right. Hello. Hello, hello. Press it again, Shep. Press it again. Hello. Who is it? Who's on the phone? You gonna press the snowman again? No? Okay. Shepherd. Hey, Shep. You're very good at listening today. Want to say hello to everybody? Say hello. Get that out of the way, huh? Say hello. Okay. I'll let you go. Say goodbye.